You're listening to the Skyy Lifestyles coaching series, helping men all around the world to attract and connect with women on level few men will ever experience. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit us at coryskyy.com.
You have no control over other people, but we do have control over ourselves. We do have control over our own happiness and the way we feel. We have control over our emotions. Stop letting external circumstances control your life. If you let external circumstances to control your life, you will always have a void, a sense of emptiness, a sense of unhappiness within you. You create your own happiness. You create your own destiny. If it is women that you want, you will have them. As soon as you begin believing that you deserve them. It is nearly impossible to be free, to be clear, to be in the moment if you are going out with a mission. When you are looking at that end result, stop. Whether you're going out by yourself or whether you're going out with friends, a girlfriend, whatever it is, something you need to say every time before you go out: I cannot wait to see what kind of fun, crazy, exciting things are going to happen to me tonight. There's no excuse. If you're getting ready to go out, don't just go and put some clothes on and go out. No. If you're at your house, it's 8 o'clock at night or 5 o'clock, whenever, right before you go out, put some music on. Put some music on that you love. Music that really pumps you up and gets you feeling good. Put it on, take a shower. When you're in the shower, run through the things that you're grateful for. Do your gratitude affirmations in the shower. You're going to take a shower anyways. Why not make it useful and run through all the things that you're grateful for? Be grateful for the water that's pouring over your head, because a lot of people don't have that water or clean water. When you get out of the shower, spend a little bit extra time in front of the mirror as you're listening to the music, as you're getting yourself pumped up. I can't wait to see what kind of crazy, exciting things are going to happen tonight. All you're doing is preparing yourself mentally to simply have a good night before you even have the night. A lot of times, guys make a mistake where they'll take a shower, put on an outfit that they're not happy with, do their hair but they're not happy with their hair, wear some shoes that they're not happy with, and they're just like, yeah, okay, nothing special. And then they go out. Stop. Start taking care of yourself, you know. I've been in a relationship for the last, few months, 3-4 months, whatever. It doesn't matter what it is, what day it is. My girl is always preparing to look good for me. And guess what? I am doing the same fucking thing. And you know what? A year from now when we're together, that's not going to change. I'm going to continue looking my best for her and for myself, because I need that for myself. I need to feel sexy. That's what keeps the sexual arousement going. That's what keeps the sexual chemistry there when you're actually in a relationship. When you're in the mirror before you go out, I can't wait to see what kind of fun, crazy things are happening. All you're doing is putting an intention out there. That's it. You're simply putting an intention out there, and then you're letting it go. And you're going out just to have a good time. This is why routines and lines and techniques do not work. Because if you have a routine in mind, you are going out with a mission. If you have a technique or a line in mind on what to say, you're becoming objective. You're looking for that outcome. And it's impossible to be truly in the moment. And if you're not truly in the moment, it's impossible to truly connect with a female. It's impossible to truly connect with anybody for that matter. If you're in your head, you're pretty much putting a wall up between yourself and the other individual that you're talking to. All it is putting the intention out there, and then you just let it go. When you go out, your sole purpose needs to be simply going out to have a good fucking time. Whatever that may be for you. And I'll be honest with you, a lot of you on this call, a lot of you listening to this, if you hung out with me, maybe you wouldn't consider it a good time. Maybe, you would consider golfing a good time. Guess what? I don't consider golfing a good time. But that's okay. That's what makes all of us unique and individuals in our own way. But to develop and have those things and know what you like and know what you don't like, that's a whole nother thing. But stop going out with a mission. If you do go out, whether it be to a coffee store, a nightclub, a lounge, to a movie, do not go there with the sole purpose to meet anybody. Go there with the sole purpose just to have a good time and just to see what happens. With putting that initial statement out there, I can't wait to see what kind of crazy things happen, you're just putting the intention out there for something crazy to happen. That's it. And if something crazy doesn't happen, you're not let down because you're not going out for a mission. You're not expecting to meet a girl. The few times in my life that I did go out and say, oh yeah, I'm going to meet a girl tonight, guess what? I didn't. Why? Because I went out with a mission. I left the house being outcome oriented, and it left me coming home alone is what it did. After that, I said, well, I ain't going to do that again. That was pretty stupid. I'm just going to go out and just have fun like I always do. And then the next night, that's exactly what I said. Well, fuck that. I'm not going to do that again. I'm not going to sit there and say I'm going to go meet a girl, because I didn't. I'm just going to go have some fun. Next night, that's exactly what I did. I went out and had fun, and guess what? I went home with a girl.